What's up, everyone? This is the hydraulic brake bleed kit. Let's open it up and see what is inside. All right, if you love changing your own brake fluid on your bike, this is the kit for you right here. All right, it comes with 2 syringes. See there, it's really nice. You can kind of see through them. That way you know if there's air in your brake fluid or not. Those look like they go on these connectors here, and you can put your tubes on there. That way you can feed in the brake fluid. Also comes with some plug blocks here, some different types, and some rubber bands to hold them securely together. You also have 2 bottles of mineral oil. Comes with a funnel and a stopper. Plug that in there. Some hose clamps. Pair of gloves. And some tools. Looks like you have everything you need here to change your hydraulic brakes in your bike. If you're a DIYer and you love to do that kind of stuff yourself, I highly recommend picking up this hydraulic brake bleed kit. Thanks for watching.